Hi, my name is Mike and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will cover how to manage event attendees and use the check-in features with the Event Calendar Pro plugin. These tools are great for keeping track of guest lists and ensuring smooth event operation. Here, attendees can purchase a ticket for the event. Attendees can add one or more tickets to their cart. Now click on Get Tickets. Now attendees can write their name here. They can click on Save and View Cart or Checkout Now. Now, the attendee will fill the billing details here and click on Place Order. Now we can see the order details of the ticket purchased by the attendee. Attendees can also view the ticket details by clicking on the PDF ticket. This is a preview of the ticket PDF. This QR code on the ticket can be used to check in at the event. Now here we can see the tickets purchased by the attendee. By clicking on the Orders section, we can see the details of orders here. The order setting will be open like this. We can change the status of the order by clicking on this drop-down. By doing this, click on Update. Now here we can see the list of attendees who have purchased the ticket. We can also make them check in by clicking on the check-in button. By doing that, the attendee will be checked in. Now we know how to manage attendees and use check-in features in the Event Calendar Pro. These tools make it easy to keep track of who is attending and ensure a smooth check-in experience. That wraps up how to manage event attendees and use the check-in features with the Event Calendar Pro plugin. Subscribe for more useful videos.